Messi is unstoppable today! Watch this crazy football move!
Oh my god, viewers. First of all, just watch these videos. They are absolutely amazing. This Iron Football video is generated only one click tool lip sync. Okay, viewers, this tool is incredibly fun to use and even gives free daily accounts. Without wasting any time, the first thing you need to do is open YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, search for the channel called Iron Football. Okay, viewers, as you can see, this channel has gained massive popularity with billions of views using only a small number of videos. And if we look at their shorts section, you'll notice that almost every short gets incredible views. Most of their content is based on football characters like Messi and Ronaldo, especially Roblox-style football shorts, which are going extremely viral. Now, without wasting time, let me show you the master prompt. I already have a complete master prompt prepared, and you'll find it in my description. Inside this master prompt, I've already added all the characters, character 1, character 2, character 3, character 4, along with scene-by-scene backgrounds, camera angles, environments, and everything else needed for cinematic viral videos. All you have to do is copy the prompt and open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, simply paste the master prompt here. Once pasted, click on the Generate option. Then wait patiently for 1 or 2 minutes, and boom. As you can see, ChatGPT automatically creates scene-by-scene prompts, and you can continue generating even more scenes if you want. For now, I only generated 7 scenes. Now let's preview each scene one by one. Every single scene looks extremely unique, highly detailed, and professionally designed. After reviewing the scenes, I simply copy all the prompts and paste them into a document file for organization. And now, viewers, we are moving to today's best AI website and tool, the platform where we'll generate images, create videos, and even learn how to make realistic lip-syncing videos step by step. Okay, viewers, now simply open the website called lipsync.video. You'll find the link in the description below. This website is extremely powerful because it allows us to generate AI lip-sync videos, AI images, and even cinematic AI videos using advanced models, all in one platform. First, let me show you their credit system because this is one of the most exciting parts. They actually provide free daily credits. Starting from day 1, you receive around 55 credits, then day 2 gives even more. That means if you consistently use the platform every day, they continue rewarding you with additional free credits daily, which is honestly amazing for creators. Now let me quickly show you some of the incredible features available on this website. Starting with lip syncing, they offer AI lip syncing, talking photos, AI talking avatars, AI baby broadcasts, cartoon lip syncing, AI talking characters, and many more tools that can generate realistic talking videos in just one click. If we move to the Singing Tools section, you can also create AI singing photos, singing cartoons, and musical character animations. Then in the AI Avatar category, they provide AI Avatar Generator, AI Human Generator, and even AI stand-up comedy tools. And now if we look at the AI Video section, you can see advanced models like Happy Horse 1.0, Seedance 2.0, and Seedance 1.5 Pro already available on the platform. You can even create AI ads here, including product image ads, product to video ads, and product avatar videos. Basically, this platform can create professional advertising content automatically. Now let's talk about AI images. They also have an AI character generator, which is perfect if you want to create custom characters for your videos. Along with that, they provide AI image generator, AI animal generator, AI baby generator, and many more creative AI image tools. So honestly, viewers, this is basically an all-in-one AI website and one of the best platforms for content creators right now. But today, my main focus is on AI images, AI videos, and especially lip syncing. So let's begin with lip syncing first. Inside the lip sync section, I'm going to use the talking photo feature. Basically, I just upload a photo, give it a prompt or dialogue, and the AI automatically turns it into a realistic talking character video. And here's another amazing thing. The platform already includes many pre-made avatars that you can instantly use for generation. But for this tutorial, I'm going to upload my own generated image instead. After uploading the image, you'll notice multiple options here. You can either enter text directly, upload your own audio, or even record your voice live for lip syncing. But in this video, I'll use the text input option. So I'll simply paste my prompt here, set everything up properly, and then click on the Generate button. Once I click Generate, my first lip sync generation starts processing. You just need a little patience while the AI renders the result. Okay, viewers. After waiting for a short moment, let me show you the final lip sync video result.
Welcome to my studio, where crazy ideas turn into viral videos. Every light, every sound, every edit built to create something unforgettable. And this is only the beginning.
And oh my god, viewers, just listen to the voiceover and watch the facial movement. Everything looks perfectly synced. The AI is speaking exactly according to the prompt I provided, and the lip movement feels completely natural. Nothing looks off at all. This means your lip sync videos can literally be generated in just one click. And viewers, besides this, there are many more features available here. For example, AI baby broadcast, talking animals, talking cartoons, animated avatars with dialogues, and many more tools that can all be generated instantly with one click. Now let's move on to the next step, AI image generation. Inside the AI image section, there are many available tools, but I'm going to use the AI character generator because it's perfect for the type of content we are creating today. I already have several prompts prepared, so I'll simply copy my first prompt and paste it into the AI character generator. Then, I'll select the Nano Banana model, choose 3D style, and click the Generate button. And just boom! As you can see, my first image has already been generated. The result honestly looks amazing. Now I'll generate 2 or 3 more images one by one. I'll copy the second prompt, click Generate again, wait a few moments, and now you can see my second image is also ready, and once again, the result looks absolutely incredible. Okay, viewers, let me generate a few more images so I can show you the final overall look of the AI character generator. And viewers, now that you've seen the final results, you can clearly tell that all the generated images look extremely high quality and professionally designed. And besides this, you can also use tools like AI Animal Generator, AI Baby Generator, AI Portrait Generator, AI Hairstyle Changer, AI Hair Color Changer, and many more. All available on this single website with one-click access. Now let's move toward the AI video tools. First, I'm going to use Seedance 2.0. After that, I'll test Happy Horse 1.0 as well. For Seedance 2.0, I'll first select my image. After uploading the image, I'll provide the video prompt, select the aspect ratio and settings, and then click on Generate. As you can see, my AI video has now started generating. Here, you'll need a little patience, because rendering usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. And after waiting for a moment, oh my god, viewers, just boom.
Messi is unstoppable today! Watch this crazy football move!
You can now see the final video result generated using Seedance 2. Go together with the Lip Sync AI tool. And honestly, look at the quality. The video is extremely clean, cinematic, and professionally animated. Now I'll simply download this video and create another generation. Again, I'll open Seedance 2.0, upload another image, add voiceover instructions and video actions, then click Generate once more. As you can see, my second video has now started processing as well. After waiting a little, just boom.
Ronaldo found a new best friend!
This walk looks so fun.
Oh my god, viewers, the quality is still incredibly high. There's absolutely no quality compromise at all. Everything looks perfectly polished in HD quality. This is honestly amazing. Now let's test Happy Horse 1.0. Again, I'll upload an image first. After uploading, I'll enter my prompt, select the resolution and aspect ratio settings, and then click Generate. You can see that my first Happy Horse video has now started generating. After waiting for a short moment, just boom.
She turned into a Minecraft toy character. This looks super cool.
Oh my god, viewers. Take a look at the result from Happy Horse 1. Oh, this also looks incredibly impressive. Now let me quickly show you their upgrade pricing plans. Honestly, this tool is extremely affordable compared to many other AI platforms available right now. If you want around 500 credits, you can get them for only $10. If you want a larger package with around 2,500 credits, that will cost approximately $40. Then they also offer around 4,000 credits for nearly $70, and if you want the biggest package with around 6,600 credits, that costs about $100. Okay, viewers, I really hope you enjoyed today's Lip Sync AI tool tutorial and learned something valuable from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.